Good morning. We're here at the factory at Radical. This is just a little tour of what you can see when you come to visit the factory. This is the boardroom here. The ultra important marketing department. We've got Holly and Nicole. How are you guys? Good morning.
Good morning.
Little tour of the factory. They're gonna help me go through the factory and introduce you to everybody. Let's go. So this is the after sales team right here. We've got Paul Blunt, Arthur, and then we're going over to the sales team here. These are the guys that are in charge of everything that when we dealers call and try to order parts, this is the team that handles that. We've got Hannah. Say hello, everybody.
Toby, Paul,
Toby, Paul, Simon.
Hi.
All right, let's go into the finance department. This is where the money is. Hi, everybody. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. So here we have Nicola, and we have Eleanor, and we have Sarah, and then we have Richard.
Richard, stand up. Yay! How are you doing? Hi, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
How are you? How are you guys?
Yeah, good, thanks.
This is Steve, this is our HR manager,
That's it. Good
and this
morning.
is Natalie.
Nice to meet you.
Pleased to meet
Yeah.
you.
Very nice to meet you.
Francesco.
Francesco.
We're very happy to be here.
Yes.
Thank you. So, here's the engineering department, and you'll recognize one of these faces over here. Nathan, how are you? Good morning. James Pinkerton, how long have you been at Radical? A long time.
10 years now.
Yeah, there's a picture of you right outside.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you have long hair.
I know. That's gone now.
That's awesome. So, James is now in charge of the engine department, and Nathan you'll see traveling all over the world at all of our events, and he's helping James Scott with technical. So this is a very important department here. See you guys later. Where did you get that?
Oh, it's from the other side.
Look at that. That's awesome. They're wearing some of the new gear. This is an important office. Hello. Just wanted to say hi. Good morning, or almost good afternoon.
Right. Oh, man.
This is Hitesh. He's the CFO of Radical Sports Cars.
Hi, Francesco. It's a delight to have you here. We can't thank you enough for taking the time to come across, and we look forward to your 30 car sales.
No problem. 35. We'll get 35
oh,
for this.
really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
You're gonna write that down and keep me to it.
Absolutely. So can you put the checks in the post to me?
Yeah.
I'll bank them
Yeah.
before you spend the money.
No problem.
Yeah.
Hey, good morning. Good morning. Almost afternoon. This is Neil and Ian from purchasing. So these two gentlemen are in charge of buying from all over the world, all of the vendors that help Radical assemble the final product. Yeah.
Very important.
Very nice to meet you guys.
Yeah, no, good to see you again, Francesco.
Yeah.
Francesco, yeah.
Awesome. And you biking into work?
It's Brompton. It's British engineering.
Oh, really?
Folding bike. Demonstration series. Fold up bike. Really good.
It's actually one away, this. It's actually one away. I'm not fast at it like the experts. But
Oh my gosh, this is awesome.
you can stick in the back seat of a car.
Look at that! That's
There
awesome!
you go.
So you bike to work every morning?
Yeah, so does Neil, but as I say,
I'm sensible.
I haven't got a fold up bike.
Mine you keep
Yeah.
I
You can have one built right here in the back.
Exactly, yeah.
And I
We just need to make room in the back of the Radical for that.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Where did you get this?
you get them from Brompton. They made them down in London.
They're made in London.
I got it. It clips in. Everything just.
Clips up, there you go.
Oh my god, I love that.
Cool. Good to see you, Francesco.
Thank
and
you, guys.
We'll keep it coming.
Awesome, appreciate it.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Oh, that's mine. So excited, don't tell anybody because they're gonna charge me for it. These are Domino's here?
Yeah.
Get out of here, really?
Yeah.
Wow. Well, Pizza Hut's not. Domino's, yes.
Domino's, yes.
Nice. We love a bit of pizza.
Wow. Impressive.
You can do a catwalk.
Oh, like this. This is nice. This is
Nice.
now it's official. Love it. Cool. Oh my god, this is a really nice jacket. Just coming over in the engineering department to meet Richard, who's in charge of training. And so where did you come from, Richard?
I come from Slovakia.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
You know that?
No, I did not know that. I was just asking questions.
Yeah, I come
Oh,
from
cool.
Slovakia. Lived in the UK for now 11 years. And worked in here the last 7 with a little break.
Excellent. What did you do before Radical?
I did loads of road car stuff. So main dealers, Mercedes, VW, Porsche, Peugeot. And before that, just general backstreet garage, fixing whatever.
Excellent. Well, we're very happy to have you and can't wait for you to come to the U.S. and
wait.
help train all of our mechanics.
Come for a bit of sun.
Oh, cool. Thank you. Let's go over here into the. Hello, hello.
Good morning.
So this is Jamie Widnall. How do you say your last name? Widnall.
Yeah.
And James Scott, you might recognize his face, his pretty face from all of his trips back to the U.S. James is in charge of the technical department, and Jamie is on the production side. So we're gonna see if Nick is available. How are you?
How you doing?
It's been a long time.
Yeah.
This is Nick Wilford, and he is design. You are
Absolutely,
the
yes.
designer behind the Radical for the last forever.
Since the start.
Since
yes.
the very first,
That's right,
the
yeah.
beginning.
25 years.
25 years of designing the car.
Yes, right, yeah.
Excellent. And this is your last year?
This is my last year, my last month.
You're retiring. Last month?
Yes, right,
Ooh, bittersweet. Well,
yeah. Looking forward to it.
I'm sad that this is the last time I'm going to see you at this desk, but I'm very happy for you and congratulations. And
Thank you.
next stage, it's going to be exciting.
Yes, I hope so.
So what do you have cooking up in here? Anything secret, top secret that I can
nothing
share?
I can tell you about. there's always something new, but nothing I hope to.
What was the last thing that you designed? Was it the SR10?
SR10 was the last model, the
Last model.
latest 3 we did, and then we did the 10. The last product, I think that you probably recognise is the Bill Uprights.
Fill it up right, yeah.
Yeah, I think
I'm really
that's,
excited about those.
Yeah, no, that's going to be yeah.
Cool.
A lot of people.
And what was the first car you designed?
That would be the Club Sport back in 96.
6 or 7? Yeah.
Yeah, something like that.
Very good. Well, I appreciate everything, and it's really great to see you.
Yeah, you too. Okay.
Cheers. Engine admins, we see Ross here. Ross, say hi. Hey, how are you? Okay, this is even though this says marketing, this is a very, very important office. This is the CEO of Radical.
Yeah,
Am I disturbing? How are you?
Well, very well,
I just wanted
Francesco.
to say
Great to see you again.
goodbye and thank you very much for all the hospitality.
You're more than welcome. So pass my best regards on to everyone over at Stradali, Team Stradali.
This is Joe Anwal. He's the CEO of Radical, and Jack also, and he's introducing a new ERP system into the company.
Yeah.
So we're very excited about that. It's going to make everything super efficient.
Yeah.
And so Joe took over Radical in what year?
2016. So turned the business around, and thanks to people like Stradali, Francesco, Giovanni, and all you guys over there, it's flying very high now. So looking forward to seeing you guys in the US in a couple of weeks, because I'm over at round 2, which is in Road America.
Yeah.
Flying into Chicago, so I'll see you down there, and look forward to saying hello to you all in person.
That's my home track. So we're going to see Joe in Chicago, bring him out to the restaurants, and have a very good time. So.
Absolutely, well.
Thank you for the hospitality and everything. It was a great week. We got a lot done. One thing is your sign does say marketing. You do have to change that.
Yeah.
To the CEO, okay, because that's a
CEO.
very important sign. when
Yeah,
they change
well,
them.
I've tried to put that there to put people off the side, but they still find me, you know.
Oh, thank you. See you later.
Great to see you, Francesco.
Cheers.